Lesson overview. Filter context is the single most important DAX concept. Every measure is evaluated inside a context defined by the visual, the slicers, and the page filters. Understanding this is what separates DAX users from DAX strugglers. What filter context is? When a visual asks for a measure value, Power BI builds a filter context from the rows and columns of the visual, for example, region equals north, year equals 2025. Active slicers on the page. Filters pane at visual, page, or report level. The cross-filtering from other visuals on the page. The measure then evaluates only over the rows that survive those filters. Example: a single measure, total sales, equals sum sales amount. On a card with no filters, grand total across all rows. In a table by region, totals per region row. With a year slicer set to 2025, only 2025 rows are summed. On the same matrix, but with north cross-filtered, from a region chart only north plus 2025 rows. Same formula. Different answers. That is, filter context at work. Calculate. Modifying the context. Calculate is the most powerful DAX function. It evaluates an expression in a modified filter context. Sales 2025 equals calculate total sales. Date year equals 2025. This adds a filter. Year equals 2025 on top of whatever filters the visual already has. To remove a filter, use all % of total equals divide. Total sales, calculate total sales, all sales. Slicer interactions. Slicers don't modify measures, they modify the filter context the measures evaluate in. That's why one well-written measure adapts to every slicer automatically. Try this. Observe measure changes with slicers. Build a table visual, region rows, total sales value. Add a year slicer above it. Click different years and watch the row totals change. Your measure didn't change, only its filter context. Add a measure sales all regions equals calculate total sales, all customers region, and put both on the same table. See how all ignores the rows region filter.